Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make cake flour at home with just two simple ingredients. Before we start off with the video, please do check out our channel for other such videos. We show simple steps to get these amazing shades. Let us know in the comment section which shade you like the most and which shade you want to see next. We also show some quick and easy hacks which you can try at home. Now to start off with the video, first you'll need some all-purpose flour and some corn flour. These are the two simple ingredients you'll require to make cake flour. Next, take a bowl and add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Now to this 1 cup of all-purpose flour, I'm going to take my tablespoon and I'm going to remove 2 tablespoons of it. And then I'm going to replace the 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour with corn flour as shown in the video. So with every cup of all-purpose flour, substitute with 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Once you've added in the 2 tablespoons of corn flour, mix it well. And the cake flour is now ready with just 2 simple ingredients. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get notified on our new videos.